So I won this gun at an Airsoft tournament last year, and after letting my brother use it a few times and it suffering a bad wiring problem, it's basically sat on my wall, collecting dust. And from the reviews I've seen online, it's an SRC Dragon, which that's not really a good gun, so even if I did fix it, it probably wouldn't be worth much. It won't really be a good gun. So I thought I'd have some fun with it, see how much I can throw into a gun. I've never worked on a gun before, so this is like kind of a learning experience for me as well. So this video is just kind of going over the whole process of doing stuff to it, and yeah, that's about it. I made a mess.
Doing all right. You're staying warm enough.
Yeah. And now for the real test.
Put it back together.
Let's see if it'll fit. Really cool if it does. On with that. Yeah, we did try it. Yeah.
Nice.
With another set by the same brand, same make, and all that. So.
Okay, so it fit in there.
It should. Just like that.
It went in, didn't it?
Yeah.
Goodness.
Oh, it's perfect. I think assembling the motor part's gonna be the most confusing out of this. It's got all the pins and everything for it. I've waited months for this. I had this all planned out. This is gonna be my screw around gun.
It's probably gonna end up being your best gun.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be my tournament gun. See, I can't fit here. Wasn't on the old one, because I'm gonna have to file that down to get that through there, because it needs to be fed through there. So file time. So I got the hop up here. Oop, there it is. And a little part there was touching the gearbox and wasn't letting it get through all the way. So I'm just gonna do this really cool thing and shave it down to fit so it's gearbox shaped. I noticed the little plastic tube thingy at the end of the gearbox on the original one was a little longer. I don't think that really matters, but we'll see when I try shooting it if it does. But you can see right there. You'll see better right there. You're not wanting to cooperate there, so I'm just gonna keep shaving it down until I can fit it through. I think that works. That looks good. That looks really good. This you go bad. Okay. Okay, so it's not touching. So I figured that out. Yeah, I just about instantly blew the fuse. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna cut it. I lied, that was the wrong fuse. I ended up having to buy a set of 10 online for like, I don't know, $6. So I thought in the meantime I'd just go ahead and paint the gun because black's kind of boring. I really liked the camo they used in Call of Duty Ghosts, which everybody hated back then, but I'm pretty sure we all changed our minds about it by now. And I've always wanted something with that camo, but it just didn't exist. So I thought this gun would be a perfect example to try to remake that kind of camo. and it took a few layers and stuff, but I actually ended up doing correct somehow. So that's one good thing about this, I guess.
All right. Yep. So I'd see right there. All right, I got 10 of these. All right. Let's see what we get here.
So I still wasn't too sure about my motor tuning qualities, so I took it to my friend a few towns away, but before we could actually start working on the motor, something unfortunate really happened. We did an oopsie.
Yeah. Well, I did the oopsie, but anyway.
Oh, it's fine. The gun wasn't wanting to work anyway.
Hey, you think you could pull that trigger?
Oh, I can recording now. That's cool.
Ooh.
I just. All right. I'm gonna put Simi.
Oh, just leave it at auto.
Okay. This isn't gonna kill you, well.
I'd hope 9 volts won't kill me.
Okay. Tell me when, I guess.
Pull. Oh yeah, I can make that run.
That's sketchy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm out of town now. I brought this over to a friend's. We're gonna get it running. Yeah.
Ooh.
We were also working a little bit on his M3 and his M14 and stuff, so not much really got done with the M4 for that day, but that's fine.
Your pants.
I brought the super suspicious looking package. We're back. We got this guy right here. He knows how to do electrical stuff. We've got a whole...
Watch us turn this barely $100 M4 into a monster.
Oh.
I'm great at making horrible creations.
Whoa. Oh god, I have to look. Is Cameron using that in the tournament?
He is if I can get it working.
God, alright.
It's gonna be even scarier. So how we did this is we butchered an HK 416.
You can see it here,
its
and here, and here.
We stole a bunch of fucking heat shrink from my electrical box because we didn't have solder, and we burnt through more fuses than probably I have ever burnt in my whole life.
Oh yeah, look.
But now it works, and it's pretty.
Yeah, this is fuse number 3. It broke sometime between last weekend and this. Yeah, that's my next problem, is all this time working on it, and I don't have a battery that fits in there. So
A LiPo will work.
I could steal one of Carter's. I guess Carter has 2. Which, I mean, putting a LiPo in there, it's gonna sound even scarier, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we took like the bare minimum, like the point when a low power becomes like not a low power. The scope itself is like twice the price of the gun. The gearbox and motor were more expensive than the gun factory. Like,
It's actually pretty close to like right above your iron too.
yeah.
So if your iron's right, then it should be right.
It is on a spacer, riser.
So is your iron.
Is it now? I don't know. I'm just happy. It sounds amazing, and I'm ready.
Just get rid of this stock wall when you got a comp. Actually, this is a little loose too.
Yeah, I didn't have the screw for it. But, oh, well. We got the tool guy. That's right. He's the tool guy. Oh, sorry. We're at the field. It's game day. Putting 11.1 LiPo in it. It's all loaded up. We're gonna see how this thing shoots.
No, I know how much you wasted.
Oh, I want to hear this thing.
Ooh, my turn.
God damn, really?
Oh, man. Oh,
Is it
that's
just
so
like
sweet.
a laser?
What?
Here, let me shoot it.
Open with this one straight down the hallway.
Oh, yeah, look at this thing. Oh, God, it's so pretty. I'm probably gonna have the like building video done before this video gets uploaded, so it's gonna be nothing special. But
Okay, go!
so I may have killed it again. But like the fuse isn't blowing, it's just getting really hot whenever I plug it in, and it's not being reactive at all. I mean, if I think if I leave it plugged in long enough, the fuse is gonna pop, but I'm just not gonna do that. I'm thinking it's probably a wiring problem with us doing all that like heat shrink and using a separate wire spliced in there to replace the wire we've lost or something like that. It's probably really easy, but I don't feel like getting to that right now. I'd rather take a break for a while. So it's just going to be a really nice looking wall mount until I get back to working on it, whenever that may be. I'm not really in a hurry because I've got other guns to go with, but it just looks really nice, you know. It's just my little fun screw around gun. So yeah, that's about it. Don't put 11.1s in your guns unless they're like really rated for it. If you got any tips, leave it in the comments or whatever. Laugh at me, I don't care, I'm just having fun with it. But whenever I do get back into it, I'll go ahead and let everybody know and see how it turns out. For the third time now, I guess. So that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed. I do a lot of videos like these. Actually, I kind of lied. I just do a lot of Airsoft GoPro videos nowadays, but I'm trying to get back into like doing other videos because I feel like I've probably annoyed too many people with just doing nothing but GoPro videos. I'm sure it gets old after a while. Anyway, I'm really going off track here, so I'll just leave it there. See ya.